Hey guys, this is how to add a GIF in Kinemaster, or Kinemaster, however you like to say it. So first thing you need to do is just download a GIF online. So you can go to giffer.com or giphy.com, whichever platform you like to use for GIFs. And then once you have the GIF inside your gallery, all you need to do is just open up a Kinemaster project and then click on the media button right there. And then choose your GIF. So I'll choose it right here. And then, as simple as that, your GIF is in your project. So it's pretty short, so I can just play around with the length just to make it a bit longer. Now, one thing to note is that like if you have the GIF as a .gif file, it's not really gonna work. It's gonna work as a still image. However, if you have it as an MP4 file, it's gonna work just fine. So make sure to have that adjustment. And make sure that you have the correct file type before you add it to Kinemaster. And yep, simple as that. Hope that video is helpful.